What's up, YouTube? It's your boy with another one. In this video, I'm about to show y'all how to change or check your air filter in your motorcycle. I don't know, well, I can speak on the behalf of a Jigsaw. So I'm about to show y'all, save y'all some money by doing it on your own by yourself. It ain't hard. If you don't know how to search for something on YouTube these days, I don't know what to say, because YouTube saves me a lot of money. And hopefully I can pass the knowledge on to y'all and help y'all out like people did for me when I didn't know nothing. So tag along with your boy. Let's get started. All you should need is a 4mm hex Allen tool and a pretty long, well, skinny head, flat head, or Phillips. I'm not sure, but it's one or the other. So I got the long flat head because it'll still fit in the Phillips slot. So it's go both ways. You have to start off by taking these two little Allen heads, one on each side, one wrench right here, and it basically snaps down, and you got Velcro on the inside, and all of it just comes down. And you have to take the seat off with these two, one on each side, size 5mm. Sorry about that, I didn't mention that in the beginning. Keep up with the bolts. That bolt out. Basically, like it got a plexi that slides in, so you just lift up on it and pull forward, seat off. First, you're gonna start off by taking these two Allen heads loose to lift up the tank cover. What they call tank holders. You stick it in your yoke and against this, but no, hey, I ain't got time for that. So I'm gonna use my braking bar. Works perfect. Taking out these Phillips heads. Now this part get a little tricky. It's one long bolt though. I got this extra long flat head. I don't know if it can focus. But you have to make sure you're right on the center, because it will slip off and go to the side, and you think you're twisting, but you're really stuck on the side with a rubber piece at. So I use my phone to guide. It's right down in there. It's not gonna go straight on the center. It's gonna slide out to the side. It's a round head bolt. So be careful on that part. Now I got it off. Okay, and then it felt to look real good. Well, did on the outside. Don't look too good on the inside. So I'm gonna clean this out, wash it, because it is rewashable and rechargeable. You can buy the kit from AutoZone or O'Reilly. It's a cleaning agent you spray on, dip it in the water, sluice it or whatever, and then it's a spray that you go back on. It's red, but you can buy that at AutoZone or O'Reilly. Probably about $10. But I'm gonna clean all that out, and that's it. This is the kit that you can buy from AutoZone or O'Reilly. This is the stuff you spray on it. But since it's not acting right, I'm gonna put it in what I tell y'all the best stuff ever. An empty awesome bottle. Alright, got it in the awesome bottle. So I'm gonna spray it on the outside and inside. And then I got a bucket of warm water. I'm gonna let it sit in for about 5 to 10 minutes and sluice it around. So I'm about to do that. Then when I get done with that, I'm gonna take it out, let it sit in the sun, dry for about 30-40 minutes. Spray this on, air filter oil, and put everything back together. I just went and got some awesome. Sprayed that with a microfiber towel and clean it up. Make sure you don't get nothing over here. So just pay close attention to what you got. That's it, man. Just put it back together, go in reverse. And that's it for this video, man. Appreciate y'all watching. Hope y'all learned something. Hope I helped y'all out, because they probably would have charged you maybe $100 just to do this. When it probably, this is my first time actually doing it. I just go checking out piece by piece in a video I saw on YouTube. So if it weren't for that, it probably take me about 10 minutes to do. And look how much money you'll save. This stuff is so simple. You know, you think it's complicated, but it's not. But try to do stuff yourself, man. You know, it'll help you out in the long run. Like, subscribe, holler at me. Peace.